On this episode of Travels with Bill, we're in Neepawa taking a third peek at the building of the new Neepawa Hospital. This is what the health center will look like when it's done, and you can actually see it starting to take shape now. There's the glass that's in the middle of the conceptual drawing showing up, the different wings showing up as well, and the building is already basically there, right? It's not going to get any taller or much wider. That's the layout of the building. Now there's just all that work to do of getting it all closed in. See all the orange? Those are insulated tarps keeping it warm inside so they could do work in there throughout the winter. Although it has been a pretty mild winter, so they've been lucky that way. Out on the right-hand side, you can see all the trailers. They're temporary offices, I'm sure, for the construction team, and lots of construction material spread around the site. If you look really close, you can see a few guys moving here. It is a work day at the site, so they're busy working away at it, but much of that work is happening on the inside of the building where you can't see it. Come warmer weather, they'll be doing more work on the outside, but may as well work inside where it's warm for now, at least, as they build the hospital. We've been here a couple times already, so you can go back on the channel and find some of the previous versions of it. One when it was just a steel frame, and one when there wasn't that much done at all to it yet. And you can certainly see the progression as it's getting bigger and bigger, and it won't be too much longer, another year or so, until it's ready to be a working hospital. It'll be replacing the current hospital in Neepawa. We'll leave you with this 360 view of the site in case you're interested to see more. Well, it looks like they're doing concrete today as well. We'll see you on the next episode of Travels with Bill.